Hello, in this video I am going to draw this tool in AutoCAD. Okay, let's start. I'm going to use the line tool and make it line. Right, I used all dimension in millimeters. Using line draw 150 millimeters. Enter and drawing the center radius. I'm going to draw the circle here. It's 16 millimeters. Press enter and I'm going to draw another. I'm going to make a copy this one, make it copy, hit point here, press escape. Now I'm going to offset this line to 2 millimeters, offset 2, enter, make it copy here, and again I'm going to make the offset 5 millimeter, enter, center line to 5 here, and here also press escape, midline, offset 5, enter, here to press escape. Okay, now I'm going to use fillet here, fillet R, radius R, enter, radius I'm going to make the 25, enter. I'm going to click this line and this shape, press enter here and here, press enter here and here, press enter again here and here. Okay, I'm going to delete this midline, click delete. Now I'm going to draw a line here, this point, enter, using mirror, select this line, enter, and I'm going to make midline, press enter. Okay, now I'm going to draw circle, 2 point, first point, second point, enter, make it trim. I'm going to trim this line and these lines, press escape, click this one, delete, and select this line using mirror, press escape, trim these things, and now I'm going to mirror this line, select this one, mirror, using midpoint, press enter, delete this line, press escape. Now okay, now I'm going to draw the using line tool, line, click here and draw 20 millimeter, enter, and down this side I'm going to make 17 millimeter, enter, and this side I'm going to make 20, enter. Now I'm going to select these lines, make it move, pick the midpoint and keep it here. Again I'm going to select these shapes, going to rotate, use the midline, turn off the auto mode, press F8, I'm going to keep here, click enter. Okay, press escape, and I'm going to draw the circle, 3 point, first point, second point, third point, press escape, make it trim these lines here and here, this one and this one, press escape. Okay, fine. Now I'm going to draw a polygon, using here polygon, make it 8 sides, press enter, using midpoint, center ellipse, drag it, and I'm going to draw a radius for this 14, enter. Okay, fine. Now I'm going to add some dimensions using line dimension. Midpoint here to here, it's 150, and dimensions, this one here to here 10, enter. This one is 4, and I'm gonna make this radius 16, same here also, enter, and this one is 25, and make it angle here. I'm gonna make 17. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.